Well, hello everybody! Welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways. And look at this. Must be a no-fly day, huh? No planes allowed in the sky today. Oops, wait a minute. There's one. But gee, I wonder why his vapor trail isn't going all the way across the sky. It's just dissipating right behind him. Huh. Gee, I wonder what that's all about. He's got the whole sky to himself. Pretty amazing if you ask me. Anyway, let me get back down to regular zoom here. Yeah, that's the only one in the sky. Nothing else out here. Like I said, today must be a no-fly zone. And it's only cold right behind that guy's plane, or right behind his engines. It's not cold anywhere else up there. So, pretty interesting. Anybody able to explain that one? As Desi Arnaz used to say, you got some splaining to do? Oh, Rusey. Okay. So, what did I do today? Well, I got my little setup out here with my battery and my little water transfer pump. And I transferred this water down to that container down by the garden. And this was 3/4 full. That's half full. So how did that work out? Well, I've already gone down and watered the garden and soaked it down really well. So I used about 1/3 of the water that was in here to soak the garden and all my trees that were out there really well. All right. So next, let's see, next. What was next? All right, next. Batteries. Got my little inverter welder out and made this little connector to go on the positive post. And then the negative, of course, is the ground unit. And I ran this a few episodes, like they say 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off at 30 amps. And I did that for most of the morning, on and off, on and off. They say 3 to 6 times, but I checked it after 3 times and there was no change. I still have a dead cell in that battery and a dead cell in this battery. Doesn't look like these batteries are ever going to come back to life. So I'm going to quit running up my electric bill by running... Oh, wait a minute. I don't have an electric bill. Oh, well. I'm going to quit running up my imaginary electric bill. And I'm going to put all my tools away tomorrow and just consider these 2 core charges. So when I ever get any money, I can go get a couple more used batteries and use these as the core charge, so I don't have to pay that on the new batteries or on the new youth batteries. And then inside the room, I still got a couple more batteries in there, the smaller ones, the US 2200s, that have really weak cells in them, so I got to pull those out of there. And I sure hope the money comes in before my battery bank goes dead on me in the middle of winter. That will not be fun. I'll have to really live by the old ways with candlelight, and I'll have to figure out a heating way. What I can do is I can set up a burner out here that burns wood and heats up a a pipe inlet that goes inside the cabin, or more possibly, I will take my small potbelly stove out of the container and adapt it into the living room here and pipe it up through the roof and use a wood burner to try to keep warm through the winter. This is not fun. And this non-compliant executor that's handling this will is going to end up, when I do get the money, I probably will use part of it to file suit against him for damages and losses, because this is totally ridiculous, and there's no reason in the world that this should be going on. Just doesn't make sense. This is G Bear thanking you for joining me. Don't forget your thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And this is G Bear signing off.